Hello student. Last time when we meet, we have discussed about the debenture issue at par, redeem at par. Debenture issue at premium, redeem at par. Debenture issue on discount, redeem at par. Now we have started redeem at premium. When company used to redeem their debentures on premium. For example, friends, company takes 100 rupees from the debenture holder and they put condition that they will redeem the debenture or return the debenture at 110. Company take 100 rupees and return 110. The 10 rupees is loss of the company. This point is now as today we are discussing. Satyam Limited issued 36,000 debenture, 8% debenture of 100 rupees at par. Issue at par on 1st April 2015. Now first entry, bank account we have debenture application and allotment accounts here. 36,000 debenture, each of rupees 100. So 36 lakhs. To debenture and application and allotment accounts here 36 lakhs. First entry complete. Now this application and allotment amount transfer to debenture account. So debenture application and allotment account here 36 lakhs. To debenture account 36 lakhs. So this is the common thing, friends. Now which are to be redeemed on 31st March 20 at 115. So company takes 100 rupees and redeem or return 150. 15 rupees is loss of the company. So loss on issue of debenture account here 36,000 into 15. 36,000 into 15. Yes. 36,000 debentures into 15 rupees loss. 36,000 into 15 rupees is loss. Five lakh 40,000. 5 lakhs 40,000. And premium on redemption of debenture. When company issue debenture at premium, it is called security premium. But when redeem is premium, it is called premium on redemption of debenture. 5 lakh 40,000. And when company redeem is debenture on 31st March 20, first entry, debentures are redeemed. So debenture account here credit. So debenture account here, premium on redemption of debenture account here to debenture holder accounts here. So both amount which are credited now debited. 36 lakhs, debenture account here 36. Premium on redemption of debenture account here 5 lakh 40,000. To debenture holder account, the sum of both these items 41 lakh 40,000 friends. And now this amount is returned to debenture holder. So debenture holders are receiver of the amount. So debenture holder account we have 41 lakh 40,000. To bank account 41 lakh 40,000. So this amount is, friends, 36,000 into 15. Now friends, same example is given in your textbook. Homework exercise Example number 16 is your homework, friends. Same example, Satyam Limited. So please do this homework. Now second example. On 1/4/16, Shivam Limited issued 4,000 7.5% debenture of 250, each at 5% discount. Now debenture issued at discount. So debenture discount is lost and debenture discount is always debited. Debenture discount is always, this is new thing, friends. So debenture discount is lost, so it is always debited. Now find the amount. 4,000 debenture into 250. 4,000 into 250 is equal to 10 lakhs minus discount amount 5%. 5% of 10 lakhs $50,000. 5 lakhs minus 50,000, 9 lakh 50,000 to debenture application and allotment account 9 lakh 50,000. Which amount company received? 4,000 debenture into 250, 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs minus 5% discount. 5% of 10 lakh. 10 lakhs into 5 by 100, 50,000. Now this amount is transferred to debenture account, 9,50,000. Debenture discount amount is 50,000. Loss on issue of debenture. Now friends, so see, all the debentures are to be redeemed after 5 years as on 31st March 20 at a premium of 10%. So 10% of 10 lakhs, amount of debenture will be 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs into 10%. 1 lakh rupees. So this is the loss of company. 1 lakh. Same amount is come into premium. Premium on redemption of debenture rupees 1 lakh. And 7.5% debenture amount. What amount will be now? So the sum of is 10 and 11 lakhs. 11 lakhs minus 1 lakhs. So remaining amount 10 lakhs is transferred to debenture account. And now debenture redeeming premium. So debenture account here rupees 10 lakhs. Premium on redemption of debenture rupees 1 lakhs. And total amount 11 lakhs is credited to debenture holder account, and debenture holder account debited receiver of the amount to bank account 11 lakhs. So friends, in exercise, example number 17 is same as this example. So do the homework and note down this example carefully. These are the most IMP examples of board exam. Amount of debenture 4,000 into 250, 10 lakhs. Debenture discount 10 lakhs into 5 by 100 is equal to 50,000. And premium on redemption 10 lakhs into 10% is equal to 1 lakh. Friends, now do this work. We will meet tomorrow. Thank you.